Hi Sagittarius, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be from June 16 to the 30th for you. So, how I do this is I first look at the current situation that is going on with you, and basis that I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the next 15 days. So, if the current situation resonates, then pretty much the whole reading will. Also, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. And let's begin. Let's see what is your current situation, Sagittarius. What's going on currently, Sagittarius? June 16, presently for you, so that we can look at the energies further. Alright. The Moon, the Hermit, and Six of Pentacles. Wow, this is nice energy. You're doing some sort of deep thinking or deep soul searching to understand where do you want your life to go. I see you looking for stability. Now, your energies are not very reckless. Whatever you want that thing to be stable. You don't want to be unstable. I also sense that maybe you made a mistake. You're scrutinizing yourself quite a lot at this point. Maybe you made a mistake. Maybe you said something or you did something that you probably did not want to, but you landed up doing it. Maybe it's like a text message that, okay, I did not want to send this message, but I landed up doing it. It's not in my hands. I don't know why is this happening. But now I think after this whole scrutiny, I think you've reached a point that no. How much ever tempting this thing looks like, I don't really think I want to walk on this path. Or maybe you just want a path which is stable. That's what I'm seeing for you. Let's see. If this resonated, let's see what's... Or wait, let me just clarify this energy of the Moon and the Hermit. What is this energy? Six of Swords. Yeah, you're walking away from this. You're probably very alone right now also, and you don't want any mess in your life anymore. Anything that basically irritates you or makes you angry, you don't want anything of that sort. So I am actually seeing you kind of walking away from conflicts and moving towards stability. So now let's see if this resonated, then let's see what can you expect in these next 14-15 days to come. See the Ace of Wands, but let's see if it comes back again. We know it's yours. What to expect? The World, the Sun, Five of Wands, Knight of Wands, and Four of Pentacles. Okay. For a lot of you, I think if you had a habit of saying yes to superficial things, you are changing that habit. I'm seeing in the next 15 days, you will be holding back from someone. You will be protecting yourself, something like that. Yeah. The devil and the six of wands. So, I think you'll be able to defeat this energy. This energy doesn't seem to be very, very happy, or it seems to be dark to me. I think you will be defeating this energy. You don't want it any longer because you've gone through the grind and you feel that no, this is not where I want to be and this is not where I see myself being. I sense you want to move away from this. You want to be in a place of stability. So I'm actually seeing that if this is a temptation of sorts, or if this is a habit, I don't know what it is, addiction, because I have a devil card. So you're stopping that. You're refraining from succumbing to this addiction. And I feel you would be victorious in this. Because you would want it momentarily, but you're taking conscious decisions, or you're taking conscious actions to not just go somewhere for the heck of it. You don't want to. You don't want to because you feel that no, this is not where I want to be. And you have somehow sensed that this is not taking you where you're supposed to be. So you're kind of taking the right decisions at the right time for yourself. In these 15 days, I see you defeating something. Now, this defeat could be if there was something in your mind that, okay, I want to get rid of this, I'm done with this, I can't deal with this. If you've been in that energy, I see you defeating that. I see you pretty much putting an end to that no, I'm not going to do this. I know that this is not taking me anywhere. So that realization has set in you. That's what I'm seeing. Alright, Saggies, so let's see what is the advice for you from the universe. What does the universe want to say to you right now, which could be beneficial for you? What does the universe want to say to you at this point? Reach for the stars, shine your light, be of service and take the lead. This is all cards of just do it kind of a thing. Maybe if you're about to start something of your own, maybe you're about to get into a business of your own. If you're getting in that line, I think this is an indication that don't hesitate. Just move ahead. Don't think twice. Because it's not you will not succeed. This is the time for you to shine. Okay? And that's what the universe wants to say to you, that maybe you're into some sort of a spiritual work, or whatever work you do, or whatever paths that you've been thinking to take, move. Don't stop. Don't stop. Because this is where you're supposed to be at this point, and you're at the right place at the right time. And since you're taking this decision, you are moving in that direction. That's what I'm seeing. And this decision is not going to harm you because you're holding yourself back, because this is not worth it. Okay? Alright, Sagittarius, that's what I have for you. I hope this reading resonated. Let me know in the comments section as to if you liked this reading or if this resonated. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3 card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. Let me know. Take care. Bye.